Hi children, today we are taking two sounds. Two letters are there. Letters A and W. What is the sound of A? A. What is the sound of W? Wa. But in the word when you have the A and W together, all you hear is one single sound A, that is A. Only A you will hear. Yes? So we're going to look at words with two sounds, but all you hear strongly is A. Let's look at some words. Read aloud. Listen to the two sounds, and the strong sound is A. Let's look at some words. Shall we look at the first word? This is O, but it says A. First letter. First sound. This is letter C. What's the sound of C? K. O. All you hear is A. Ka. Ka. What is ka? Who says ka? Which animal? Which bird? Tell me. Yes, the crows. Crows go about flying in your house, around your garden, cawing. Caw. Caw. And what do? You give some food. Yes, he comes flying about, say, caw, caw. You give him some food. Good. So, which is the strong sound here? A. Caw. Let's look at another word. Okay? Look. What letter is this? L. Law. Law. What is law? You cannot do what you like. You can't say, oh, I'll go and play football on the road. What will happen to you? Law. You will say, no, I will ride the bike anyway. I will walk anyway, cross anyway. No, you have to follow the law. What does the law says? When you walk on the road, keep to your left. Cross only at the zebra crossing. What about your vehicle? Can you take a bike and speed and go? No. You can't do that. Follow the law. I'll go to my neighbors and take away the things. No. Law says, no, don't take your neighbor's things. Law. You break the law, you go, land up with the police. Let's take a new word. Look at the two sounds, A and W in it. Let's read. What's the first letter here? R. Raw. What is raw? Raw. Some vegetables can be eaten raw. Cucumber, onion, tomato, carrot. You can eat it raw. What is the meaning of that? Without cooking. Now, can you eat meat raw? Not at all. So, raw vegetables can be eaten. Raw meat cannot be eaten without cooking. Raw. Let's look at another word. Say the word. Listen to the sound. What letter is this? Letter S. Saw. What is saw? Saw is an instrument. You can cut the wood using the saw. Another saw is, I saw a bird flying onto my window, seeing. Saw. Saw. What's strong? The A is stronger than W. Good. Shall we look at another word? Look what we have here. What letter is this? P. Paw. Paw. What is paw? The little pussy cat, the little puppy you have, they'll put the paws up for you to carry. Yes, touch you with the paw. If you are shaken, they'll put their soft paw into your hand. Paw. Good. Let's look at another new word with A, W in it. Jaw. Jaw. This is your jaw. If you go near a crocodile or a whale, they will open their jaw. Then what will happen to you? There will be nothing left. Jaw. You open the big mouth and you can see all the sharp teeth. Jaw. Look, let's look at another word with AW in it. What is this? Claw. Who has claws? Birds. Some birds are very sharp claws, like the kite that flies high. Yes? Claws. Even the crows, if you look very carefully, they too have sharp claws to pick things, tear things, and eat and take it away. Let's look at the last word with AW letters in it. Let's listen. Flaw. Flaw. When you go to buy glass item, look, there is no flaw in it, a crack or a chip. It should be a perfect dish. Yes? Flaw. Good. Let's read all these words with two sounds, A and W, but all you hear is A. Read along. Caw. Good. Law. Raw. Saw. Paw. Jaw. Claw. And flaw. Now, we will do an exercise. I'll give you a picture. You guess a word with AW in the word. Shall we? Good. Let's look at our first picture. And you guess a word with AW in the word. What is this? Yes, these sharp things are called claws. Very good. All birds have sharp claws. Claw or claw. With this they pick up, they prey, a little chicken or a rat of any food and fly away high before they eat. They use their claw to sit on the branches. There is 3 in front and 1 at the back, and they sit tight on the branches. Claw, and they are very sharp. Good. Shall we look at another picture? Look at the picture. Guess the word with the letters AW in it. What picture is this? What is the little child? Yes, the little one is drawing. Draw. Drawing a picture. Draw or draw. Do you like to draw? Do you enjoy drawing? Yes, make some lines and bring out a beautiful picture. You can draw human figures. You can sketch and draw anything. Flowers and nature, fruit, anything. Draw. What happens when you draw? Lovely pictures come out on a paper. You feel happy. Good. Draw. Good. Shall we look at a new picture? Yeah, here we are. Guess the word with AW in it. What is the little baby doing? Good. The little baby is crawling. Crawl. That's the word. Good. Baby crawls. Yes. What is the meaning of crawl? Go on 4. Push itself forward. Crawl. Baby crawls on the floor. Hands in front and with the leg push, push and go. The baby crawl. Good. You crawled when you were tiny. Yes? Let's look at a new picture. Look carefully. And what is the word with AW here? Look at the pussycat carefully. Yes, paw. The little pussy is showing its paw. Look. It says, look at me. but a soft paw I have. Paws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Paws. The pussycat has paws. How does it walk? Very lightly on the floor. You won't even know the little pussy is coming along. Yes? The pussy walks on the paws very gently. Paws. Good. Let's look at another picture. Now, look carefully. Give me a word with AW. AW in the word. Daddy has a beautiful garden for you. And what does he do? What does he fill up the garden with? Soft grass. Soft, fresh, green grass. And what does Daddy say? Come along, let's sit on the lawn and have a small, soft lawn. It's soft like a carpet. Lawn. L on. Lawn. You can walk on the lawn, sit there, yes, and have a nice evening time. Lawn. Most gardens have lovely lawn. Yes, when you go to some park, you will find a place lovely, soft to sit on. Then you say, come along, let's sit on the lawn and have a chat. Good. Let's look at another picture. Look at the picture carefully. Tell me a word, AW in it. Good. What do you do with it? You drink juice, you drink water. Straw. Very good. Straw. Straw. Use the straw for drinking juice, milk, water, anything. You use a straw. Paper straw, plastic straw. Yes, a tube-like thing that will help you to suck, choose water into your mouth. Straw. Okay. Put into the bin. Good. Shall we look at a new picture? Look carefully. What is this? Give me a word with AW in it. It's a bird. What is that bird's name? This bird has got very sharp eyes, sharp beak, and sharp claws. What is it? Hawk. It flies very high. Yes, hawk. What is the name of this bird? Hawk. Hawk comes flying down, scoop down, take a little rat or a chick and fly away. Hawk. What is the name of this bird? Hawk. Good. Now let us look at a new picture. What picture is this? Give me a word with AW in it. In the morning when you wake up, what do you say? Yes, it is dawn. Wake up. Early morning, the sun rises, you call it dawn. The sun is dawn. Get up. Wake up. Dawn. Early part of the day. When the sun rises, we say that part of the day is called the day has dawn. Good. Shall we look at another picture? Look carefully. What animal is this? What do you call this tiny little animal? A baby of deer. Fawn. Very good. What little animal is this? It's a baby of a deer. Fawn. Fawn. Very good. Lovely. Let's look at a new picture. Guess the word with AW in it. Who's got his big mouth open? The crocodile has his jaws wide open to eat some meat or fish or whatever you're going to feed. Look at the sharp teeth. The crocodile has his jaws wide open. Jaw. What is it? Jaw. He's got his jaw open to take in food. Good. Where is the crocodile found? Wherever there is water. in the pond, in the river. Let's look at a new picture. What do you have? Give me a word with AW in it. What bird is this? Crow. Good. What sound does it make? The crow comes to near your house and it says, caw. The crow caws near your house. Caws. What is the sound made by the crow? Caw. Caw, he said. The crow caws. Kurt.